So once again, no, please follow this also case, no, by which na ini siya MRI, no nga, by which lagi nga nakasabot yung brain, wala na rin balik siya doktor. Again, so here, no, again week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, no, again last 2 weeks na lang here, by which tanawan niyo, mudwa na siya dito sa basket, no, partial tear on the medial ECL, no, on the right there, no, atong ibutangan, oh, hot box and tense, yeah. Then here, about na intellectual property, ana nga, by which no makapenetrate sa iyahang anterior cruciate ligament, by which no nga close pack maneuver man na siya, so na siya igunon ra na the way the possessions by which lagi for 14 years na nato nang kuano research and study. So here, no, January 5 2014, duwa din siya basket, no, again duwa din siya basket, by which lagi pag primero na tong ari tanawa to yang naong, no, so, maguba na di na kuno ka duwag basket so week, no. So here is about 5 treatment sessions, you know, we measure it on the left and right for 10.7, 14.7, the same, you know. Again, the gasoline is about karon, the same niya po is about 6.8 kilograms. Then here, 20 seconds hold na. Again, we kuan sa hold, no, 20 seconds hold, by which karon yung cardio, the Arwin ergometer there, no, it's about nga 10 minutes. Again, then blood pressure before, no, we start about 112, 5959, no. Again, please follow this one, yeah. Again, thank you to my cousin, no, RC, by which lagi na po retrieve gina mo ang people, no. Again for the people, no, so na again na nasa problem, so here again thank you, no, so please help me with this one, yeah. Again, you know, December 20, 2014, people already in 3 weeks, no, by which na hold again itong money sa freedom. So here again, so wala ko ani nga card, no, kanilang ipanganlan nga Visa card, Mastercard, Discover, no, Bank Express, no, by which ito ATM machine lang, please karon lang gid nga month, no, by which sa December and January, by next month, by February, ako na gid po declare na nga mao na gid inyong requirements, mao na gid akong buhaton, no. Again, please lang para natin magamit sa Christmas, no. So here again, Bank of Commerce, there you are, no, Bank of Commerce, then PayPal, again thank you PayPal, no, by which lagi the 7 nga website ana siya mo link, no, ana ang money padung, by which lagi kasabot sa tayo, that's business po, no. So Darwin ergometer based on the stress test, there you are, no, American Heart Association. This is Arwin Gale, no, money akong body. Again, money akong giname niya, no, there. So nag-scooter pa akong body, no. Again, 4 months old ako na ning gipalakaw with karang, no. Again, so here continuations kang karon, no, so here palihog tag ko po to, no. Good, again thank you kasi brother. So here the gasoline of kano, no, ano padang pag ay nakuha ng gamay si down na gamay imuhit ana, okay, good, here una to this up extension, no, una, yeah, hold 20 seconds, ha, start now, good, 1, 2, 3, kana, no, kana walk here 5, 6, 7, 8, good, 9, 10, Armalite niya 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, good. Again, that's 20 seconds hold, by which we do the isometric, no. There, again, no. There, down to my, no. Kana, no. Then, 20 seconds hold. 1, 2, again, pull. 4, that's Armalite gun, no. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, good. Again, power sa gamay. So again, this is Armalite gun, no. By which lagi, ang iyang injury on the right nga ECL medial pagid nga ni hubag, no. Again, no na. So karon, so morta by which lagi sa sunod natong treatments about every other day, sa sunod nato na siya movable board. Kato-ato ang ginbento na pod, no, nga mo na nga di-base na kang Jordan lagi nga movement diya po tanong nga every sports you have the balance, yeah, by which lagi dili kay ka grabe injury basta you have a balance, by which lagi kato siya circle and rectangular, no, which ato tong imbento para ito sa mga sports. Again, for 14 years, thank you for the trust and faith, America, yeah.